Hey guys, welcome to Investing with Jess. Retire early. I hope everyone is doing great. The weather is still fine, and I think in few weeks we're gonna be in a bit cooler condition. So I just wanna give you a quick update, guys. For this week, if you are investing in ULTY, so far it's been consistent for the past few weeks. So we are going to receive 9 cents for this week, and it is my sixth weeks that I'm receiving my dividends so far, and my portfolio is already on green. So approximately 250 to $300 of overall profit so far, and I just added 200 shares today, and I would like to keep it for long term. So far the share price is not really significantly going down, since the overall stocks today actually is bullish. So October 1st, we don't know if in the next few days these overall stocks um, share price will again go down, but let's see. I hope you are also managing your stocks and investments according to your preference. What are the stocks that you are really investing in your portfolio? Please share in the comments below. And as you already watched in some of my other videos, I have some individual stocks that I'm investing other than YieldMax. So please watch my other videos so that you can have an idea what's in my portfolio. So again, for ULTY, if you are heavily investing in these stocks, and as long as we are managing our risk, I believe this is a good YieldMax ETF with reasonable dividend payout so far. And in terms of share price, it's of course very volatile, but there's no significant swings in terms of the share price. So we'll hope for higher price in the next coming weeks or months, as long as the overall market is in the bullish trend. We will enjoy our profit. I just want to also share with you guys, maybe just to mention some of the individual stocks that I have in my portfolio for my long term. I'm actually investing in Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. I have 50 shares of this one, and then I also have investment in Nvidia, ticker symbol MVDA. I also have 50 shares. And recently I purchased the 50 shares of CoreWeave. The ticker symbol is CRWV. So let's talk about these three stocks for today, and I think I'll give more details in other videos why I'm investing and what are the particular catalysts that I'm looking for these stocks. But just a perspective why I picked these three companies, why I picked Palantir, Nvidia, and CoreWeave. So basically, as you can observe, these three companies are all related to AI, or artificial intelligence. And as we know, AI is started to, or I think it's been a while that there are so many news and even analysts are really announcing about the future and kind of improvements in terms of artificial intelligence, the trend, right, in the industry. So Palantir, in my opinion, is, if not the strongest, but one of the strongest AI software companies that could have a very good potential for the future. I mean, they're just getting started. I believe that the government and commercial customers are piling up using their software. So I think they're just getting started. If you see the share price trend, overall all-time high or overall gain so far is still within 1,000 or less than 2,000%. compare that to other established companies like Apple, Nvidia, Tesla. I mean, Tesla is still, I think, not yet there, but if you compared with Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia or Google, it's even 100,000 of percentage in terms of overall profit. So I believe Palantir has a huge potential, and they're just getting started. I mean, the traction is already there. So I have 50 shares of this company. And then the second one is Nvidia. So this is also AI related company, but most focusing on chips or hardware, GPUs. As you know, it's widely used worldwide, right? I mean, there's so many companies, big companies using the GPUs and other services of Nvidia. Their share price already exploded, right? From I think in from 3 to 4 years, past 3 to 4 years, the share price really gone higher. And at some point maybe I missed that kind of trend, but I'm still bullish with the company, so that's why I am keeping my 50 shares for long term. And then the third one is the CoreWeave. This company, I would say, is still in the beginning of their development. They just IPO'd March this year, and overall increase in the share price, I think at least it goes 3 times from the initial IPO price. But I believe the share price might be volatile, but over the long term, there's a lot of room for them to grow and more revenue. Especially, looks like they are trying to become the strongest and largest AI infrastructure provider. So as you know, the Nvidia even is investing in CoreWeave, and they have a most recent partnership with the OpenAI. So these companies are really huge, and with these companies backing them up as an investor or believing with their business or products, there's a lot of room for CoreWeave to really become a big company in the future. So I also have a 50 shares of this company, and in my other videos I'll share with you some other, I would say, mid or small caps that I'm still in my portfolio that I believe has a good potential as well for long term. So if you are investing on these 3 companies, please share your thoughts and put the comments so that we can also learn from you what are the catalysts or what are the fundamentals that you believe these companies also will grow in the future and help our portfolio in terms of investment, and so that we can achieve our early retirement. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, thank you for dropping by, and please do subscribe if you are interested for this kind of topic, and share your thoughts, and together we will achieve our goal. And we'll talk to you in my next video. God bless.